Good morning. We're on the record. Good morning. As chairperson of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, and in accordance with TC Code Section 2571(h) of the Open Meetings Act, OMA, I'm welcoming you to the regular scheduled meeting of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board. This meeting is being conducted pursuant to guidance made available by the District of Columbia's Office of Open Government regarding electronic meetings held by public bodies. Electronic meetings by the ABC Board are authorized pursuant to Section 2-577A of the DC Code. Pursuant to the OMA requirements, notice of today's meeting was provided 48 hours in advance of the meeting on ABCA's website and on the District Central meeting calendar. The notice includes the time, date, agenda, and call-in or login information for public participation. This electronic meeting has been hosted by a WebEx account provided by the District of Columbia government. Please address any questions or complaints to the OOG at opengovoffice@dc.gov. My name is Donovan Anderson. I'm chairperson of the board. I would like to introduce the other members of the ABC board who are also participating electronically. Please respond when I announce your names. Mr. Silas Grant.
Mr. Silas Grant, present.
Ms. Terry Janine Quinn. Mr. David Meadows.
Ms. Terry Janine Quinn, present.
Mr. David Meadows.
Mr. David Meadows, present.
Mr. Ryan Jones.
Mr. Ryan Jones, present.
The board has 5 members in attendance for the conduct of business today, and that constitutes a quorum. Before we get underway with today's hearing calendar, I need to make a few instructions very clear so that the conduct of these hearings is understood by everyone. There are 10 cases scheduled for our calendar today. Once your case is called, I will take a moment for IT specialists to elevate the rights for each party to enable their camera and microphone. Then and only then will you have the ability to enable your equipment. If your case is not being heard, you will remain mute and your camera will be disabled. At the conclusion of each case, the parties will have the option to leave. If the party chooses to stay, all cameras and microphones for the concluded case will be disabled. Should you have any questions or require technical assistance during the hearing, please submit them using the question and answer feature. Let us now turn to our calendar. The first case on our calendar is a protest hearing, case number 25 PRO 00061. It is Jinya Ramen Bar, license number 132205. Good morning, Mr. Orienta. Can you please elevate the rights of the parties in this case?
Good morning. Gwendolyn Losi, your access has been elevated. To Rutledge, access elevated. And Matthew Menora, access elevated. And that appears to be all terms.
I'm also representing the Citizens Association.
Okay, good morning.
Good
All
morning.
right. Where's Mr. Hold on a minute. Where's Mr. Menor? Mr. Menor, can you please come on camera, please?
Started now? Thank you.
All right, good morning. Can you please identify yourself for the record, sir?
Sure. My name is Matthew Menora from the law firm of Malleus O'Brien and Sandground, and we're ABC licensed counsel for the applicant.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Ms. Loshi, can you please spell and state your name for the record and identify who do you represent, ma'am?
Sure. Gwendolyn Lowe's, ANC 2E chair, and I'm representing ANC 2E as well as the Citizens Association of Georgetown.
Can you please spell your name for the record, ma'am?
Yes. Lohse, Lowe's, and Gwendolyn, GWENDOLYN.
Good morning.
Good
Ms.
morning.
Rutledge, who do you represent? Please spell and state your name for the record, and who do you represent, ma'am?
Good morning. My name is Susan Rutledge. It's RUTLEDGE. I represent the group of 5 protestants, and I also represent myself as an abutting property owner.
Good morning. Mr. Menora, are there any preliminary matters in this case?
Just to say, we think the parties have a settlement agreement. We're just waiting on the final signature from the Citizens Association of Georgetown, and we'll be able to submit it to the board for review and approval.
Oh, good morning. That's what I like to hear. Um, this matter is scheduled for a protest hearing on August 13th. However, if you believe that since you can if it's not going to be submitted in sufficient time, please inform the agency so we can postpone the hearing to wait for the signed settlement agreement. And congratulations on the parties for coming to an agreement. The board prefers settlement agreements because at the end of the day, this is your community, and you have to you're going to coexist. And if the parties are able to mutually agree to terms that are satisfactory to all, we're happy. When the board makes a determination, someone is not happy. But so yes, Ms. Rutledge, any questions?
I would just like to echo the comments by Mr. Menora. We residents have been negotiating in good faith with all of the parties, and we are hoping to receive soon signed signature pages for the settlement agreement, but we have not received them yet.
All right. Well, I as let me ask a question. Who are Mr. Menora, who are the protestants in this group? And who's protesting?
So the protestants are the ANC, Citizens Association of Georgetown, Ms. Rutledge as an abutting property owner, and a group of 5.
Okay.
We have a settlement agreement ready to go with Ms. Rutledge, CAG, and the ANC. We're not going to have the group of 5 sign on as a signatory to the settlement agreement, but their input has been what got us to this point.
Okay.
So we're hoping to submit that for the 3 of the 4 parties, and then the group of 5 will be dismissed upon approval of the settlement agreement.
All right. Okay, fine. I'm glad you mentioned that because I know Ms. Rutledge had stated that she was an abutting property owner, but I was not. I wasn't sure of that. That she had standing as an abutting property owner, so that's fine.
And the ANC is signed, and we're just due to a vacation. We're waiting for the Citizens Association.
Well, that's fine. I appreciate the representation. As I stated before, the board appreciates the work that has been done so far by the groups to come to an agreement. So, if you know that if for whatever reason the agreement will not be submitted to the board prior insufficient time, please just let us know that you have a settlement agreement that will be provided, and we will cancel this hearing. Okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you very
Thank you.
much, then. You have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye now.
All right. Bye-bye. The next case in our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00041, Lifted Essentials, license number 129325. This hearing has been canceled due to the submission of a settlement agreement for the board's review and approval. The next case in our calendar is another protest hearing, case number 25 PRO 00025. Nando's Peri Peri, license number 97889. Mr. Oriana, can you please elevate the rights of the parties in this case?
Sure thing. Mark Eckenweiler, your access has been elevated. That is all, Chair.
Where's Mr. Menor? Okay, I didn't realize he was still there. Okay. Mr. Eckenweiler, can you please come on camera, sir? All right. Good morning, Mr. Menor. Can you please identify yourself for the record?
Sure. Matthew Menora from the law firm of Malleus O'Brien and Sandground, and we're ABC licensed counsel for the applicant.
Good morning. Mr. Eckenweiler, can you please spell and state your name for the record, sir, and your representation?
Mark Eckenweiler, that's M-A-R-K, last name E-C-K-E-N-W-I-L-E-R, Vice Chair ANC 6C on behalf of the ANC.
Good morning, sir. Mr. Menor, are there any preliminary matters you need to bring to the attention of the board?
Nothing at the moment. We really haven't gotten anywhere since the beginning of the protest, so we're sort of at the same spot we were from the beginning. There just hasn't been a lot of engagement thus far.
Okay, Mr. Ekenwala, any preliminary matters, not substantive, but any preliminary matters that?
No, sir.
All right. All right. If this matter is now settled, it is now scheduled for a protest hearing on August 13th at 1:30 p.m. Are the parties familiar with the protest process and procedures?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
All right.
Yes.
The only thing I just want to remind you, if this matter goes to a protest, please be reminded that the PIP is due 7 days before the hearing. Failure by either party to provide a PIP, the board is empowered to prevent that side from relying on documents and witnesses that have not been previously disclosed. Good luck with your negotiations. And if this matter is not settled, we will see you on August 13th at 1:30 p.m. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
All right. The next case in our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00010, International House of Prayer for All People, license number 130347. This hearing has been rescheduled to August 13th at 10:30 a.m. The next case on our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00047. It's Apera DC, license number 116925. Mr. Ariana, can you please elevate the rights of the parties in this case?
Sure thing. Gwendolyn Lowe's, access elevated. Neil Lund, access elevated. Makbuba Lund, access elevated. And that appears to be all.
All right, thank you. All right. All right, let's start with you, Mr. Manor. Good morning, sir. Can you please identify yourself for the record?
Sure. Matt Menora from the law firm of Malleus O'Brien and Sandground, and we're ABC licensed counsel for the applicant.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Who's representing, I guess, Ms. Lowe's? You represent ANC. Can you please spell and state your name for the record? You're on.
Hi there.
Unmute yourself, please,
Yep.
ma'am.
Gwendolyn Lowe's, chair of ANC 2E, and it's Gwendolyn, GWEN, Lowe's, LOHSE.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I guess Mr. or Mrs. Lund, can you please spell your, identify yourself for the record and who do you represent? And can you come on camera, please?
Hi, my
All
name
right.
is
Hey, Neil
Makbu-
Lund,
Oh.
abutting neighbor and protestant, NEELLUND.
And okay, and who is the other Lund persons there?
Hi, my name is Makbuba Lund, MAKHBUBA, and LUND. I'm also neighbor, abutting neighbor.
Good morning. All right. Mr. Manor, are there any preliminary matters in this case?
I think mediation was very, very helpful to illuminate some of the difficulties that the Lunds were experiencing. We have drafted an amendment to the settlement agreement that we think that they have. An amendment to the settlement agreement that we think addresses the concerns that they have. I'm just waiting on feedback from the owner. She's abroad right now, but I'm hoping to get her sign off on that today or tomorrow so I can send it to the ANC and the Lunds for their review.
All right, thank you. Ms. Lloyd, any representation you want to make, ma'am?
Yes, I think that primarily the problems are the summer garden. And
well, not substantive. We can't discuss substantive, but we just do like overall procedural. So
I hear you. We have not seen the revised settlement agreement.
Okay.
The discussions were productive. However, there has been a compliance issue and concerns about two different spots and two different areas of the application. And we don't have those problems with other locations throughout Georgetown. I'm hoping this is going to get resolved, but we'll have to see how it proceeds because I don't know, we may go to protest.
All The Lund, just not substantive issues, just any procedural problems, issues that you might have.
No, concur with everything Gwendolyn just said.
All right, thank you. All right, this matter then is scheduled for a protest hearing on September 10th at 1:30. Are the parties familiar with the protest hearing with the process?
Mr. Chair.
All right. Just want to remind the parties that 7 days before the hearing, the parties are required, if this matter is not settled, the parties are required to provide the exchange documents and witnesses that will be relied upon at the hearing. Failure by either party to provide the PIP to identify the documents and witnesses, the board is empowered to prevent that side from relying on those documents. Also, if this matter goes to a protest hearing because there is an abutting property owner and there's also the ANC, I am requesting that a representative be appointed to represent both sides. So we're not going to have the ANC and we're not going to have the abutting property owner. We're going to have one representative represent both parties, and that is pursuant to. So basically, the board is pursuant to section 1612.8. We are requesting that the protestant designate one individual to represent the group during the protest hearing. Okay.
And just to clarify, the Lunds are representing the other abutting neighbors.
But
I hear you.
Yeah.
I just want to clarify.
Yeah. So how many abutting property owners were given standing at the roll call?
Just the Lunds, Mr. Chair.
Just the Lunds. So there are two parties, the ANC and the Lunds. They're the only ones who were granted standing.
But there are other parties on the existing settlement agreement that I believe some of which are abutting. I forget offhand.
I know, but as far as the board is concerned, in the sense of moving forward to a hearing, the only parties that who protested this renewal are the ANC and the Lunds.
That is correct, Mr. Chair. Yes.
So those are the only parties that I need to focus myself or the board needs to be concerned about if this matter goes to a protest hearing. So the Lunds, I mean, they can call other witnesses, but the other witnesses are not parties in the protest hearing if this matter moves forward. And so the provision is that the Lunds and the ANC then would have to decide who would be the designated representative of both groups at the protest hearing. Any questions?
No, Mr. Chair.
No, that's fair enough. We'll figure it out.
Okay. Well, I hope that you guys are able. This is a renewal, so I'm hoping that the parties are able to come to some resolution rather than having the board resolve it for you, because it's better if the parties are able to resolve the issues. If you're able to resolve the issues, then you can come to an agreement and everyone leaves the table happy. If the board makes a decision, one side might be happy and the other side might be unhappy. All right, so that's one of the reasons why I always support resolutions of the matter to ensure that both parties leave the matter satisfied with the results. So good luck with your negotiation. If not, the board will see you on September 10th at 1:30. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome, and have a good summer. Thank you. All right, the next case in our calendar is case number 24-251-00018 and case number 24-251-00018A, The Good Guys Restaurant, license number 899. Ms. Oriana, can you please elevate the rights of the government and the licensee in this case?
Good thing. Shawnee Brown, access elevated. Collins. Sorry. Richard Bianco, access elevated. And I believe that's it, Sharon.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Brown. Can you please identify yourself for the record?
Good morning. This is Assistant Attorney General Shani Brown. That's spelled SHANI here on behalf of the district.
Good morning, ma'am. Mr. Bianco.
Good morning, Mr. Chair and members of the board. My name is Richard Bianco on behalf of the licensee, RICHARD BIANCO.
Good morning, sir. Ms. Brown, Mr. Full show cause hearing, but are there any preliminary matters in this case?
Yes, the parties are prepared to enter an OIC this morning.
And what is that, ma'am?
There are 3 charges that we need to address. The first one is for allowing the establishment to be used for unlawful purpose in violation of DC Code Section 25-823A2. We would like to impose a fine of $2,000 to be paid within 30 days, and if they do not pay within 30 days, their license would be suspended until paid. For the second charge, it is for failure to follow the security plan in violation of DC Code Section 25-823A6. It would again be a $2,000 fine to be paid within 30 days, and if not paid, the license would be suspended. And lastly, on charge 3, for providing false or misleading information during an investigation in violation of DC Code Section 25-823A5C, we have agreed that we would just issue a warning.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Bianco, it's my understanding there is an offer in compromise was provided on charge 1. There is a fine of $2,000 payable within 30 days. If the fine is not payable in 30 days, the license will be suspended until the fine has been paid. For charge 2, there is a fine of $2,000 payable, also payable in 30 days. If the fine has not been paid in 30 days, the license will be suspended indefinitely until the fine has been paid. And for charge 3, a written warning will be issued. Is this your understanding, sir, of the offer in compromise?
Yes, Mr. Chair, that is my understanding of the offer and compromise. I would also like to note for the record, we didn't have time to, based on when we reached the agreement, we didn't have time to put a written offer and compromise into the record. But there, of course, is a writing, and one of the terms of the writing, as noted, is that this is the second primary tier violation.
Well, thank you. Is your client aware that is your client is in agreement with the offer and compromise, sir?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Is your client aware that this matter is that cannot be appealed?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Any questions by any board members? Hearing none, I make a motion that the offer and compromise be accepted. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. So the offer and compromise is that for charge 1, there's a $2,000 fine payable within 30 days. For charge 2, a $2,000 fine and payable in 30 days. And for both, if the fine is not payable in 30 days, the license will be suspended indefinitely until the charge has been made, until the fine has been paid. And for charge 3, a written warning will be issued. And so that's the offer and compromise that has been voted and agreed to by the board. Thank you, everyone, for your acceptance and for solving this matter, and have a great day.
Thank you very much.
You too.
All right. The next case in our calendar is case number 24 CMP 00078, the Ugly Mug Dining Saloon Valor Brew Pub, license number 71793. Mr. Oriana, can you please elevate up the licensee and the government in this case, and then the witnesses? And the witnesses, please.
Sure thing. Colin Chenchi, access elevated. Brianna Graham, access elevated. And that appears to be all true.
Good morning, thank you. Good morning, Mr. Chenchi. Can you please spell and state your name for the record?
Morning, Mr. Chair. Colin Chenchi, COLLINCENCI, Assistant Attorney General with the Office of the Attorney General for the District of Columbia, representing the district.
Good morning, sir. I see the licensee is not here today. Are you expecting the licensee to appear?
I have not heard from the licensee.
All right. Is the government prepared to move forward ex parte?
We are prepared to move forward, yes.
All right. Pursuant to DC Official Code Section 25-447, the board has the authority to proceed ex parte where the licensee awaits the hearing or fails to appear unless the hearing is extended for good and sufficient cause. The board's record reflects that the licensee was properly served. Seeing no licensee here today and having no good and sufficient cause to extend this hearing, the board will proceed with a show cause hearing. Does the government wish to make an opening statement? How does the government wish to move forward?
At this time, Mr. Chair, we would like to request an entrance of default for the board to decide this case on the record. As Mr. Chair is aware, the case report is already treated as part of the record for this case. And given that the establishment has failed to appear, their failure to appear should be treated as a concession of liability on this case.
And so what is it that so as if the board was issued a default judgment, what is it that the government is asking the board to do?
Yes, Mr. Chair. As the board will be able to review the case report in determining how this case should be resolved, the record for this establishment will demonstrate a extensive record of a failure to comply with numerous secondary charges, including failure to file quarterly statements repeatedly over the course of the last several years. Given the extensive record and the failure of the establishment to engage with this process, we would ask that the board impose the maximum possible penalty under applicable DC code. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so the government is asking for the board to issue a default judgment based on the failure to appear. Is there a second?
Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn has seconded the motion. Let's have a roll call vote. Ms. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I certainly agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The board has agreed to grant the motion, the government's motion, and will act accordingly. Thank you, sir, for your appearance today. Ms. Graham, you both have a great day. All right, thank you.
As well.
The next case, so that was the end of our morning. So let me move on to our afternoon calendar. On our afternoon is case number 25 PRO 00004, which is the consortium license number 130329. This case has been rescheduled to August 6th at 1:30 p.m. The next case on our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00037, Velvet's license number 130768. This hearing is rescheduled to September 10th at 1:30 p.m. The next case on our calendar is case number 25 PRO 00039, Taste Buds, license number 129546. This hearing is canceled due to the submission of a settlement agreement for the board's review and approval. And that is the end of our calendar for the day. And with that, let us now do our agenda items. So the first agenda item is our legal agenda medical cannabis. There are 3 items on this agenda. Number 1, review of a settlement agreement. This is for Best Stop Dispensary, license number 129285. I make a motion that we approve this agreement. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 2, review of motion for reconsideration. This is Lit City Smoke Shop, license number, there's no license number. This is in case number 25 PRO 00048. I make a motion that we deny this motion. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 3, review of motion to dismiss. This is Connor. This is in Canard, DC. This is case number 25 PRO 00053. I make a motion that the board approves the issuance of a proposed order granting the motion to dismiss. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to our legal agenda, alcohol. On this agenda, there are 11 requests. So the first one, number 1, review of a settlement agreement. This is Marv's Dogs, license number 132441. I make a motion that we approve this agreement. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 2, review of settlement agreement. This is for ZOMTUM. This is license number 132461. I make a motion that we approve this agreement. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 3, review of settlement agreement. This is Buds and Pops, license number 132169. I make a motion that we approve this agreement. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 4, review of settlement agreement. This is Cantina Cruises, license number 132937. I make a motion that we approve this agreement. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 5, review of motion for reconsideration filed by ANC 1A. This is in El Chuco Kachina Superior, case number 25 PRO 00056, license number 085471. I make a motion that we deny their motion. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, a second. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant,
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn,
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows,
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones,
Mr. Jones, I agree.
and Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 6, review of opposition to motion listed above. This is in case number 25 PRO 00056. El Cucho Kachina Superior, license number 085471. This is now moot. Number 7, review of motion for reinstatement. This is for Cohen. This is for Casas Rumbar. This is case number 25 PRO 847, license number 109-462. I make a motion that we deny this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 8, review of motion for reinstatement Alvarez. This is for Castas Rum Bar. This is in case number 25 PRO 00042, license number 109462. I make a motion that we deny this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 9, review of motion for reinstatement. This is Chimali, Chimali, Mexican cuisine. This is in case number 25 PRO 00057, license number 088757. I make a motion that we approve this motion. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 10, review of motion to withdraw ANC 6B. The motion was from ANC 6B. This is for Hen Quarter River Point. This is case number, this is license number 125568. I make a motion that we approve this motion to withdraw. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, you're on mute, sir.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 11, review of motion to extend protest petition deadline. This is for Pink Tiger, license number 106681. I make a motion that we we approve this motion. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to our licensing agenda. There are 5 requests on this agenda. And number 1, review application for stipulated license with letter of ANC support for a new ABC license application. This is for Buds and Pups, license number 132169. I make a motion that we approve this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones, I second the motion. We have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 2, review application for safekeeping of license. This is for Hill Country, license number 083696. I make a motion that we approve this request through March 31st, 2026. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 3-0. I'm sorry, 5-0. Number 3, review application for class change from retailer C restaurant to retailer D tavern. This is for Across the Pond restaurant and pub, license number 106099. I make a motion that we placard this matter. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
And I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 4, review application for tasting permit endorsement. This is for Capital Growth 3, license number 130243. I make a motion that we approve this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 5, review request for approval to provide a gift of tailgate package that does not exceed $500 in value to various retail license establishments. This is for Republic National Distributing Company, license number 076499. I make a motion that we approve this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to our alcohol licensing supplemental agenda. There are 2 matters on this agenda. Number 1, review request to remove the license from safekeeping for reopening under new ownership. This is for Desert 5 Spot, formerly Paulette 22, license number 132250. The former license number is 127013. I make a motion that we approve this request. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. Number 2, review of architectural floor plans for a new full-service grocery store. This is Street Markets, license number 132855. I make a motion that we placard this matter. Is there a second?
And I second.
Ms. Quinn has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. We now move to the board's temporary license and 1-day substantial change docket. On this docket, there are 9 requests, and I will I'm going to review the names, the category, the event date, the license number, the attendees. I will make a recommendation, and at the end, I'll ask that the ABC board members approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair. So number 1 is a request from Joanne Fleming for 1-day license class F. This is Celebration of Life. This is August 2nd. The license number is 133275. 250 attendees, 5 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 2, a request from Sean Banks for 1-day license class F. Professional Ultimate Frisbee. This is July 26th. The license number is 133283. 1,000 attendees. 20 security guards. Recommendation approval. Number 3, a request from Zachary Ferguson, 1-day license class F, dinner. This is August 2nd. The license number is 133317. 8 attendees, 1 security guard. Recommendation approval. Number 4, a request from Carniel, Carniel Clerks, Klirs, for 1-day license class F, a wedding. August 16th, the license number is 133323, 75 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 5, a request from Robert Jordan, one-day license class G, private reception, July 25th. The license number is 1332884, 60 attendees, 2 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 6, a request from Shashank, Shashank, Kamajaru, Kommajaru, for one-day license class G, private reception, August 7th. The license number is 133309, 300 attendees, 5 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 7, a request from Curtis Harmon, one-day license class G, soft opening, July 24th through July 26th. The license number is 133311, 150 attendees, 5 security guards, recommendation approval. Number 8, request from Na Oblitry. The name is spelled Naaoblitey. The license number, this is for one-day license class G, West African Celebration, August 9th. The license number is 133318, 500 attendees, 8 security guards, recommendation approval. So I therefore make a motion that ABC board approve the recommendations made by the chair for the board's temporary license and one-day substantial change docket. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 5-0. We now move to the alcohol license administrative docket. On the alcohol license administrative docket, there are 17 applicants. And so without objection, I make a motion that ABC board approve all 17 applications on the board's license and administrative docket for July 23rd, 2025. Is there a second?
Mr. Jones, I second the motion.
Mr. Jones has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 5-0. We now move to the medical cannabis licensing agenda. On this agenda, there are 8 licensees. I will review all 8 and what's been requested and make a recommendation. At the end, I will ask that ABC board members approve the recommendations as put forth by the chair. So number 1, review of standard application for conditional new retailer license. This is for A Cruz LLC, license number 132642, recommendation approval. Number 2, review of standard application for a new retailer license with delivery endorsement. This is for Green Cloud Shop, license number 130775, recommendation placard. Number 3, review of social equity application for a new retail license with delivery endorsement. This is for Quest Industries, Inc., license number 128882, recommendation placard. Number 4, review of social equity application for a new cultivation center license tier 1. This is for TURPZ, TURPZ LLC, license number 126783, recommendation approval. Number 5, review of packaging and labels submission. This is for WVC Wellness, license number 130742, recommendation approval. Number 6, review of change of hours request. This is for District Cure Dispensary, license number 127161, recommendation approval. Number 7, review of change of business organization request. This is for Ajua EJULA, license number 127119, recommendation approval. Number 8, review of change of business organization requests, again for Ajua AJULA, license number 128403, recommendation approval. I therefore make a motion that ABC Board approves the recommendation as put forth by the chair for the medical cannabis licensing agenda. Is there a second?
Mr. Grant, I second the motion.
Mr. Grant has seconded the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. The last agenda that we have is a medical cannabis administrative docket, July 23rd, 2025. There is only one applicant, and this is Taste Buds, license number 129546, medical cannabis retailer with delivery endorsement, new application, social equity applicant. I make a motion that this application be approved. Is there a second?
Ms. Quinn, I second.
Ms. Quinn, I second the motion. We'll have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passes 5-0. The board is now at the end of its calendar for the day and agenda items for the day. And since we have now concluded all business for the day, we will now adjourn. So I'll make a motion to adjourn. As chairperson of the Alcoholic Beverage and Cannabis Board for the District of Columbia, in accordance with Title III, Chapter 405, Office of Open Government, I move that ABC Board hold a closed meeting on July 30th for the purpose of discussing and hearing reports concerning ongoing or planned investigations of alleged criminal or civil misconduct or violations of law or regulations, and seeking legal advice from our legal counsel on the board's investigative agenda, legal agenda, and licensing agenda for July 30th, as published in the DC Register on July 25th. Is there a second?
Mr. Meadows, I second.
Mr. Meadows has seconded the motion. We'll now have a roll call vote. Mr. Grant.
Mr. Grant, I agree.
Ms. Quinn.
Ms. Quinn, I agree.
Mr. Meadows.
Mr. Meadows, I agree.
Mr. Jones.
Mr. Jones, I agree.
And Mr. Anderson, I agree. The matter passed 5-0. As the motion has passed, I hereby give notice that ABC Board will hold this closed meeting pursuant to the Open Meetings Act. Notice will also be posted on ABC Board Hearing Room Bulletin Board, placed on electronic calendar and ABCA's website, and published in the DC Register in a timely manner as practical. We're now adjourned for the day. I would like to thank all members of the public who participated in our hearings today, and also our board members who participate in our hearing. We're now adjourned for the day. I now ask all board members to return to executive session for further action. Good morning. Thank you.